Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing my thought on Ali Abdaal. Just this year, Ali Abdaal made $4.8 million. So in today's video, we want to analyze his income and look at what he's doing right and things he should do better in. And that will help us to understand on how we too can start our own businesses and grow it to make money, even much more than Ali Abdaal. Just before we dig into details, I would highly encourage you to smash the like button. Kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel. Do you know what? To like this video is completely free, and to subscribe is equally completely free. So let's not waste time, guys. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and let's just jump into the video. Ali Abdaal is a YouTuber. As you can see on the screen, he started making YouTube video in November 2007, and he makes video about productivity, finance, books, tech reviews, and several other content. He started his YouTube channel by talking about a study. He used to be a medical doctor, and he started his YouTube channel when he was a medical student at Cambridge University. He has been making video for a while now, over 4 years on YouTube. But from there, he graduated, started working as a doctor in the UK. During all this process, he was a YouTuber. We want to analyze his finance, how an average normal person is making about $4.8 million on YouTube. He has 15 passive income streams. Yes, 15 passive income streams. I told you guys that an average millionaire does not have one income stream. So if you want to be a millionaire, start thinking of having different multiple income streams. And that's what Ali Abdaal is doing. He has 15 passive income streams. Twitch, working as a doctor, he's a mentor, he's into real estate, Nebula, affiliate income, courses, sponsorship, YouTube, several things. He's into investing, crypto, stocks. He's even into podcast. Hey, to make money is not easy. So he has diversified income streams, and that's what I preach on this channel. You starting your business and growing it and expanding your income streams. In his own case, he has about 15. Little wonder he's a millionaire. So we want to get some lessons from what he has done right, an area that he is not doing well, so that we can improve on it. I can talk to you about his 15 income streams, but that would be unfair for his channel. So I'll put a link of his video in the description box of this video so that you can go and check it out and watch the complete video to have a full idea of the 15 income streams and how much he's making from each of them. But just as a summary, most of his money comes from the last 4, which is part-time YouTube Academy, courses, sponsorship and deals, and YouTube. So in this video, I'll give you a summary of these 4 cases on how you too can start a business and become a millionaire. Starting from the last, which is part-time YouTube Academy, Ali Abdaal makes about $2.5 million. Yes. And what is part-time YouTube Academy? If you don't know about part-time YouTube Academy, he has a website where he wrote a lot about part-time YouTube Academy. What it's all about is that if you want to start a YouTube channel, Ali Abdaal is saying that he has started the YouTube channel, he has experience, and he can teach you on how you can start and grow your channel successfully. That you can have your main job and run YouTube as a part-time job, or do YouTube part-time, maybe Saturdays and Sundays or in the evening. And he tells you his own story that while he was a student at Cambridge, a medical student, he was also doing YouTube part-time. So that's why he teaches a lot of students that are interested in starting a YouTube channel. It's good that he has that kind of concept to help other people become YouTubers like him. But the price is actually ridiculous. The price starts from $1,495 to about $5,000. So you pay about $5,000 just to learn on how to start a YouTube channel that you are not sure that you will make it like him. So I like the concept, I like the idea, but the price, I must confess, is ridiculous. This is damn expensive. Before you take the cost of $5,000, you buy your YouTube equipment, you grow and become like him. That means you must spend at least $10,000, and you are not sure you will make $10,000 in your first year of starting a YouTube channel. In my own case, I started a YouTube channel for more than 1 year, and as of now, I've made $0. For you to know that this is really a big uptime cost. But people that took the course says that it's worth it. So I won't discourage you from taking it. If you are interested, of course, come on, sign in and enjoy the course. So he runs these classes in cohort, and for a year he runs about 3 cohorts, which he did for this year. And the 3 cohorts that he ran for this year produced a total of $2.5 million. It's actually more than 50% of his total income, which is about $4.8 million. Not only is Ali Abdaal is into running live events and making courses like you've seen here, he also makes courses on different platforms. And one of the platforms, which is the most profitable for him, is Skillshare. So on Skillshare, he has about 10 courses. For those of you that are not aware of Skillshare, Skillshare is a platform like Udemy where you can upload your courses, and when people take your course, you are paid for it. So you are paid based on the total watch time. It's called royalties. And also you can get paid if you share the link of your classes to students and bring new students into their platform. He has about 10 to 11 classes here, and guess how much he has earned. You can clearly see how much is paid monthly from teaching on this platform and for referring students to take these classes. His referrals are not surprising because he has a huge audience. He has more than 2 million subscribers on YouTube. So for someone like him, referring people to his classes is very easy. And also most of his subscribers are students and people that want to make passive income. So referring them to his classes is pretty easy, I would say. And he's able to make about $700,000 just from Skillshare alone. $700,000 in 1 year just by having about 10 to 11 classes on Skillshare. That's extremely profitable. Another way that Ali Abdaal makes a big chunk of his money is from sponsorships and deal. Yes, he's a big YouTuber. As you know, a good number of big YouTubers run sponsorships for different companies. So Skillshare can approach him, any platform can approach him and tell him that, okay, in your video, mention us for 30 seconds or 1 minute. And for mentioning us in your video, we will pay you $20,000, $50,000, any amount. It depends on the deal he has with that company. He has a lot of deals with companies, just like every other YouTuber with more than 1 million subscribers. Equally, he has some deals that he goes to look for from Standard. Standard is an agency platform that you can sign up to if you have a relatively huge audience, so that you can promote some of the things that they are promoting. So he does a lot of influencing and marketing during his YouTube videos. And as a result of that, he's equally well paid. Overall, if you remove the 20% cut that Standards take from the money, he makes about $432,000. Yes, $432,000 just by influencing and advertising product for about 30 seconds on his YouTube videos. So that's really ridiculous. That's excellent. That's a good passive income stream. So YouTube pays him for making the video through ads, and in the video now, he has deals and sponsorships with different companies, thereby increasing his income streams. And the final part I will talk about, where he makes a good portion of his money, is from YouTube ads. He's a YouTuber, and just like every other YouTuber, he runs ads on his channel. He had about 74 million views this year, about 74 million views and counting. So, and he was able to make roughly about $400,000 from his YouTube channel. That's really ridiculous. About $400,000, much more than the $40,000 he was earning from his job as a medical doctor. So he earned 10 times more from YouTube than what he earned as a doctor that graduated from Cambridge. A little wonder why a lot of young folks want to become YouTubers. It can really be profitable if you get it right. Advertisers love to hear about money, so they're ready to pay more when your video is related to passive income, side hustle, making money online, and things like that, than when your video is about random things. Those random things like videos, music, songs can get a lot of views, but the pay from advertisers is very low. YouTube takes about 45% cut and pay you as a creator about 55% cut of whatever advertisers pay. So Ali Abdaal, even though he makes about $400,000 from YouTube, one of his videos constitutes about 25% of that amount, and that's 9 passive income ideas, how I make about $27,000 per week. So that constitutes about $100,000 for his revenue. So you see, he makes about 2 videos per week, but one of the video is about $100,000, and the next one about $22,000, $11,000, $9,000, $2,000, $0, and things like that. So you see, it's not just about making videos on YouTube that you get paid, but if you want to earn well from AdSense, you have to channel your content towards what advertisers are willing to pay high for. That's why people like Graham Stefan, Andre J, and several other finance YouTubers make a lot from YouTube. But overall, it's not just about making money, it's about pursuing your passion, because there are several other ways that you can monetize your channel apart from YouTube AdSense. Just to end this video, I want to talk about what I really love that Ali Abdaal did, and which is he has multiple income streams. He started a YouTube channel and he diversified it into different multiple streams like Twitch, Nebula, Skillshare, part-time YouTube Academy, different income streams, which made him to earn about $4.8 million. Also, I love the fact that he's transparent. By watching his video, you'll be motivated to chase your own side hustle. You'll be motivated to start small and grow it big. So you'll be motivated to start your own business and achieve your own dream. And he has shown us a very good example that a normal guy can make a lot of money legally online. So if there's anything that I should point out from his video, is that he has about 17 to 20 employees. You can see on the screen, he has a good chunk of employees. For me, that's a huge cost for a YouTube channel. His business, believe it or not, is predominantly on YouTube. And running such a business with 20 employees, I will say that that is extremely high. There are other YouTubers like Graham Stefan and J that earns a lot, even much more. And I can tell you that they don't even have up to 5 employees. So Ali Abdaal is running a huge overhead cost. So if there's any advice I have to give to him, if you watch this video, Ali Abdaal, please comment. I would really appreciate it. Look for how you cut your cost. You are making a lot of money, good, congratulations. But don't let your cost eat up your revenue. It doesn't make sense to earn about $4.8 million and you spend $4 million on cost. That's not a smart business strategy for a YouTube channel. So, of course, you have employees, but look for how you balance it. I don't know how you balance it. You don't want to have high blood pressure because you're running $1 million business. Some people are running $1 billion business and they're not sick. So please, look for how you will manage your cost effectively. But apart from that, I will say that this video is a huge inspiration for me and for all of us that are watching it. We are glad of what you are doing. We celebrate you. We appreciate what you are doing. And hopefully one day, I hope to make money like you and even much more. So guys, the link of this video will be in the description. So go and check it out to watch the full video. And I would highly encourage you guys to like this video and subscribe to my own channel so that we all can grow. Tell me about your own channel so that I will go and like your videos and subscribe to your channel. Let's grow together, guys. Thank you. Bye.